So this video is about subtraction in upper key stage 2. And what we're really looking at here is how not to throw away everything that they learned in the infants and in lower key stage 2 when they get to upper key stage 2 and the focus is on algorithms or more complex procedures. Because in fact there are 3 ways that we need children to be doing subtractions in upper key stage 2. Sometimes subtractions really involve an understanding of place value and really a robust understanding of that. So if you're doing something like 10,000 minus 6, I definitely do not want children drawing columns. That is a disaster. And I also do not want them counting up. I want them to just realise that what they need to understand there is that the number 1 less than 10,000 is not 999. And once they understand that actually they just go 1 less and then I've got to count back or understand another 5 less, then the problem's over. And so that subtraction involves understanding how numbers work. Understanding what the number before is and what the number after is, those place value skills. Another sort of subtraction is where we might be doing 10,000 minus 9,875. And again, I do not want them drawing columns. That will again be a total disaster, very error prone. What I want them to do is recognise that here it's really much easier to count up. So I've got the number line in my head as a model, and I'm thinking, okay, 9,875, 25 more, and they should know this, bond to 100, it's an easy one, 25 more takes me to 9,900, and then 100 more takes me to 10,000. Then, of course, there are those types of subtraction which cry out for column subtraction, for decomposition. So something like 1,785 minus 698 cries out for column subtraction. It's quite complicated. I'm not going to hold everything in my head. I can do it on a number line, it's perfectly true, but I might be just as well to draw the columns and make sure I understand the place value in the columns so that I can do it by column subtraction. So I'm saying there is a place for all 3 strategies in doing subtraction, and the trick is to know which to use, and that is where I focus my attention in year 5 and 6. Any question which involves finding change has to be done by counting up. That's just a given. And that sometimes in year 5 and 6 means that I need to practice those mental strategies which they might just have forgotten as in year 4 they moved into the more formal algorithms. So sometimes I do just a little investigation. Very quick, can be done in 20 minutes with the year 6 or the year 5 children. 2-digit number, choose a 2-digit number, reverse the digits, find the difference. Do that 10 times. What do you notice about the answers? Take a 3-digit number, reverse the digits, find the difference. Do that 10 times. What do you notice about the answer? All the subtraction is mental. They can't draw column subtraction for any of it. It's all mental. It's all on the number line. And that really practices their skills, really reinforces those crucial number bonds to 10 and to 100. And it's a really nice investigation because there's a nice little puzzle in why the numbers are as they are. It's a beautiful investigation. If you want to find some more activities like this to practice children's mental skills in subtraction, or you want to practice the formal algorithms, then do click on the link below.